Hi guys, it's Katie from Best Buy. I'm here to unbox the Epson LS300, a short throw projector. My favorite thing about it is that because it's a short throw projector, it doesn't need to be drilled into your ceiling or far away from your wall, and you still get a great image. Let's unbox it together. This box is pretty big. And then if we just lift here, oh, that's not. All right, and here we've got it. That's beautiful. This is the part that you'd see in your living room, whether it's on a TV stand or a bookshelf, wherever you want to put this bad boy. It'll be close enough to the wall and obviously decorative enough where it fits right in. It's not an eyesore like some other projectors. Before we get into it, let's see what else is in the box. Much smaller box, I can handle this one. We have a remote, advertises YouTube TV and apps, and it's got a Google Play image on it, which means it comes with Android TV, and a power cable. That's basically all you need to get started. Speaking of getting started, quick setup guide. With this short throw projector, you plug it in, you'll be watching TV or a movie with your family in no time. If you're anything like me, watching TV is a lazy vibe. That's why I absolutely love the fact that this comes built in with Android TV and the Google Assistant. You just click this small button on your remote and ask Google what you're in the mood to watch. It'll provide content just for you in that moment. This bad boy gives you stunning picture quality up to 120 inches. Fun fact, 120 inches is bigger than every TV I've ever owned combined. Another thing that I love about it is that it's got a custom speaker from Yamaha built right in. No longer do you need to hook your projector up to a bunch of clunky speakers with wires and cables and figure out how to put them into your walls. One thing that's really neat about this is it has automatic scene-based color, which means no matter what you're watching, if it's a dark scene in a movie or a bright, happy scene in a show, you're going to get the best color possible. Another thing that I love is just how this thing looks. It's beautiful, it's small for a projector, and it'll fit right into the aesthetic in my apartment. It almost looks like a speaker or a soundbar. Thanks again for unboxing this Epson LS300 with me today, guys. I'm Katie from Best Buy. Have a great day.